What's up, guys? So today I brought here some essential words and phrases that you need to know if you're going to visit Brazil for the first time and you don't know nothing about Portuguese. So if you're interested, give already your thumbs up and subscribe here below. Well, the first word that is essential you to know is oi, that means hi, and olá, that means hello. Well, oi is the most common and you can use it everywhere and with anyone. And olá is not that common like oi, but you can use it very normal. It's up to you. There is a lot of people that use it, so it's totally up to you, okay? Well, now I brought here a phrase that is very important you to know. That is oi, tudo bem? That means hi, how are you? And also oi, como vai? That means hi, how are you doing? So you can use these two ways to ask someone how he or she is doing, okay? So you're gonna say oi, tudo bem? Or oi, como vai? Okay? These are the most common ways to start a conversation with someone, okay? So the next word that I brought here is obrigado, okay? Obrigado. That means thank you. Now, if you're leaving somewhere or saying goodbye to someone, you can say tchau. That means bye, okay? Or até mais. That means see you. If you are leaving a restaurant or somewhere else, you can say tchau, obrigado. That means bye, thank you, okay? So you're gonna say tchau. It's the most common. So the word that I thought here is por favor. That means please. You can say excuse me please. That means licença por favor. Or a moment please. You say momento por favor, okay? So you're gonna say por favor. So now I'm gonna say 3 different ways that you can start a conversation, okay? You can say bom dia, it's good morning, boa tarde, that is good afternoon, and boa noite, that is good night, alright? And good evening. Well, here in Brazil, we use the 3 of them every day, alright? So we separate them. Well, the bom dia, that is good morning, we use until midday. And after that, we say boa tarde, that is good afternoon, until 6 p.m., alright? After that, when you arrive somewhere or leave somewhere, you say boa noite, that is good night or good evening, alright? So, a phrase that is very common here, you can say it to everyone and everywhere, is oi, bom dia, tudo bem? That means hi, how are you? Or hi, good morning, how are you? Okay? You can mix them with the other words and other phrases that I've said here earlier, okay? So you can say oi, bom dia, or oi, boa tarde, okay? So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give your thumbs up and subscribe here below, please, so I can keep making videos, okay? So that's it. Thank you.